morning, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. We're up here in the mountains just north of where they used to have the annual Mountain Man Rendezvous back in the early 1800s. And we're going to do our version of our Mountain Man breakfast, which is a rendezvous breakfast, a very hearty breakfast. And we're out here in the mountains, and as you can see, the wildflowers are incredible, and so are the mosquitoes. And we'll be back with you in a little bit and show you the rest of it. But look at these flowers. All right, for our rendezvous breakfast, what we like to do is a pound of nice country pork sausage and a pound of bacon, which I've already prepared this ahead of time. It works great to do things ahead of time. And then after we brown that and drain any grease off if needed, then we put our vegetables that I prepared here. We've got a cup of onion and about 2 cups of different kinds of chopped pepper. And if you want to kick it up a bit, you can even chop up some jalapeno peppers, but remember to take the seeds and the membrane out because that's a little too much heat. And then we whipped up 9 eggs this morning, and I've put in here a half a teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of cumin, a half a teaspoon of garlic, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. You whip that up real well. And then after, of course, this is browned, we saute our vegetables. We put our hash browns on, which I buy the prepared hash browns. You can do your own. It was a 2-pound bag, and I did half of that. And I did add some seasoning to this, the same seasoning that I put in here. And then we put on our whipped eggs, and then we put on 2 cups of grated cheese, put the lid on, and we're gonna cook this about 45 minutes to an hour. You check it in that time period. You wanna make sure your eggs are set up. And then we're gonna enjoy this wonderful breakfast. Just remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and please leave a comment. We love comments and feedback. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Thank you. Wow, we're gonna check this and see if it's done. It smells wonderful. Here we go. Oh my goodness. It looks wonderful. Wow. All righty, we'll see you here in a little bit, taking it up. All right, everything is done. It is beautiful. Of course, the flies have discovered our food this morning, but this rendezvous breakfast is absolutely beautiful. And what I have this morning is some homemade fruit bread to go along with it. And what is also really good on this, which we're out here camping and I did forget it, but salsa and a dollop of sour cream. And of course, we have made our cowboy coffee that we boil that is absolutely awesome. And remember to please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave us a comment. We would love to hear from you. Here's to all of our viewers and friends. We better eat this before the bugs take over. Thank you for joining us, and here you go.